Anyway, this is the finished product. Our camera died. We had to drill these rivets out to use
bigger ones.
Bigger ones that are those. I think. It might be, I think I used those. Actually, that's what I used. I think they're the same. Anyway, we super glued the RTS back in on the back. Kind of pie cut everything here, just so you know. I think it looks pretty darn good, considering it's not a $600 job.